Copper tubing comes in a variety of sizes, which used to mean you had to carry a different C-style copper tubing cutter for every size. Not anymore. RIDGID offers 2 C-style copper tubing cutters that do what it used to take 3 tools to do. Together, they cut 15mm, 22mm, and 28mm. One model covers both 15mm and 22mm copper tubing. Its innovative quick change feature lets you switch between sizes quickly and easily. One tool, 2 uses. The other model has a 28mm capacity. The RIDGID X-CEL wheel pin makes cutter wheel replacement quick and simple. Cutting through copper tubing is made easy by snapping onto the copper tube and smoothly rotating the cutter. Patented slots allow you to advance the cutter in tight spaces with a flathead screwdriver. Don't fill your toolbox with extra tools you don't need. The RIDGID C-style copper tubing cutters put the power of 3 tools into 2.